Hello traders, welcome back. Monday morning today. We're opening up the week. We're looking at the dollar index, our weekly visit to the dollar index. And last time we were here, I was just announcing our bullishness. You know, we had that bullish conviction when we saw price breaking through that 96.56. It did that after a big reaction we had on that 96.03 level. We knew this was a stiff support. But when price hit that 96.56 and didn't break the first time, you know, and then it landed right towards the middle of the way between these two key levels. Obviously, it was, you know, it was trapped right between 96.56 from above, 96.03. We did broadcast the situation here, and we said that whether, you know, we are equally willing to go to whichever direction price is going to break. But we kind of suspected that it's going to go on the downside, right? We thought it was going to be like 60-40 in terms of probability. At the end of the day, price broke on the upside, so it was a no-brainer. We just went for a bullish conviction on the dollar index, and that did affect our perspective on the other currencies that we were actually trading on, right? The major currencies. So we think the dollar is still in charge, so to speak. We think the dollar is gonna continue to strengthen over the rest of the currencies, the rest of the major currencies. Price just landed on that 97.37. Remember, we talked about 97.37 as the first target, right? We talked about that as being a short-term target. The first one, we've mentioned the second one at 97.55. Right, both of those were our very imminent resistance level we were aiming at, right? So 97.37 was just tagged, right? Last Friday was just tagged. In fact, price managed to cross over by a pip. Take a look, the close. Take a look at the close. 97.38, right? 38.5. So the level is 97.37.4. It's just one pip crossover, and also miraculously, you can find here the 200-day moving average right on top of that level. How bizarre. So price kind of basically tagged both of these, you know, resistance elements. So that's very bullish, right? That's very bullish. We think it's going to go straight to 97.55. We're going to have another big test here. Now, because of the way it was behaving, take a look. It's quite interesting. The way... And now I'm talking about that blue system, the blue key level system representing this particular formation, guys. Take a look, right? Now when it landed, it almost broke below 96.56. Take a look at all of these attempts, right? It's quite interesting. It actually managed to stay in at the end of, at the end of the day here, at the end of the week. So basically what I'm trying to say, the key level system here is still valid, which means price could easily push back to the higher section. So 98.27 is going to be our destination, right? We think we're going to stay bullish on the dollar index till it hits 98.27. At 98.27, we'll reanalyze the situation. We might come up with a different view, but at this point, right? As long as price will continue to push upwards and and move away from 97.37, because this is really the danger area. Even though it on the look of it, it broke by just one pip. That's far from being decisive, right? So price will have to make some effort in order to convince us that it did break that area, because it's not only that 97.37, which is just one of the key level system key levels here. We're also talking about the 200-day moving average, right on that spot, right? Okay, it should be interesting to follow up on the dollar index. We'll be back to see how things have unfolded here. That's about that for the dollar index, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.